In this video, we are going to see how to make a delicious eggless lemon cake with a gentle lemon flavor, a delightful treat, easy to make and perfect for afternoon tea. But before going on, I just wanted to tell you that this video is also available in ASMR format. Just click on the card above if you want to see it, or wait until the end of this video. Grate the zest of a medium organic lemon and set it aside. Cut the lemon in half and save a slice for later. Squeeze the lemon and set the juice aside. In a large bowl, add 200 ml of milk, 80 ml of vegetable oil, the juice of 1 medium lemon, lemon zest, 150 grams of brown sugar, and whisk until well combined. Now add 100 grams of starch, 250 grams of all-purpose flour, and whisk until incorporated. If the batter is too thick, add a little more milk or water. Now add 16 grams of baking powder and whisk until combined. Put the batter into the cake pan lined with parchment paper. I used a 26 cm tart pan, but you can use a regular 22-24 cm cake pan. Take into account that if you're going to use a smaller pan, the cake will take a little longer to bake, about 5-10 more minutes. Bake in preheated conventional oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25-30 minutes. The cake is ready when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Leave the cake inside the oven with the door open while it's cooling down for about 10-15 minutes, in order to avoid the cake from deflating due to temperature shock. Leave the cake in its pan for 15 minutes in order to stabilize the crumb gradually. Eggless cakes are quite fragile, they tend to deflate and crack very easily. Flip the cake and gently remove the pan and the parchment paper. As you can see, the top has ugly cracks. It's possible that there was too much baking powder in the recipe or the oven was too hot. But there's no need to worry, because there are so many ways to hide imperfections and still have a delicious cake. First of all, we are going to add to the top the lemon slice that we set aside before. Then we are going to dust the top with icing sugar. And lastly, we are going to fill the cracks with a generous sprinkle of ground almonds, which also add a nice crunch and pair fantastically with lemon flavor. An elegant and refined cake that's best enjoyed when it's barely warm or just right after it has cooled down, in order to fully appreciate the subtle lemon flavor pairing with the slightly nutty and pleasantly crunchy bite given by ground almonds, and the richness and depth that brown sugar add to the tender crumb of this cake. Another refreshing option is to place fresh lemon slices on top of the cake while it's still warm. As the cake cools, the lemon slices will release their juices, infusing the cake with lemon flavor and adding extra moisture to the crumb. Keep in mind that the white pith of the lemon is bitter, so it's best to use thin slices of lemon and a nice sprinkle of icing sugar. This bright, eye-catching, inviting decoration will definitely add a pop of color to your table. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share it, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive notifications. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.